someday, in the not-so-distant future, it happens. The moment you realize you're ready for anything. Get a degree in emergency management from Jacksonville State University and be ready for where you're going.
This is the morning edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Tuesday, May 20th. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather heating up and drying out in coming days. Let's take a look at things this morning. First off, the water vapor satellite view. Way out west, got a big upper low near San Francisco. That'll be digging down into the southwest United States in coming days. But around here, the old upper ridge taking over. And that does several things. It pushes the storm track well to the north. It also results in sinking air, dry conditions, and warmer weather. We'll be up there maybe in the low 90s in spots later this week. Yesterday, these were highs. Hottest weather in the country, West Texas up into West Oklahoma. That's just not a good situation. The ground is dry and bad wildfire problems out there. In fact, there's a look at the watch warning map. Those counties in the darker pink, those are red flag warnings. Most of Arizona, New Mexico, parts of the panhandles of Texas and Oklahoma, where wildfire danger is a problem again today. Severe weather possibilities this afternoon and tonight. Couple of slight risks well to the north, including places like Chicago and Indianapolis. And really pretty close to the same areas tomorrow. The eastern plains of Colorado, and then Cincinnati and Cleveland, places like that with a chance of severe storms. And on day 3, which is Thursday, a slight risk for parts of Kansas and Colorado. But around here, the weather just pretty dry. This is the rain for the next 5 days, valid through Sunday morning. And there's a little sliver of green over North Alabama. And that's for some potential of isolated showers maybe as the weekend begins. But isolated is the key word. The pattern looks very dry here for the next 7 days. We'll take a look at the GFS, the Global Forecast System. This is valid today at 1 o'clock at 500 millibars. You see the big upper low over the western states, California, Nevada. But an upper high is over East Texas. That'll be nosing in here today. We're expecting mid-80s today with a sunny sky. We'll stay aloft. This is tomorrow at 1 o'clock. The upper high is near the Mississippi Delta. And we rise into the upper 80s. And Thursday, by golly, that thing is over South Alabama. And the GFS is printing a high of 91 here on Thursday with a sunny sky. And then off to the west, you got the big upper low that's located over far southern California, but that's just kind of dropping south, and we're clearly dominated by the ridge. There's the surface chart on Thursday, and really it's pretty quiet. Weak front well to the north of us won't have any impact on our weather. This is Friday. That front is over northeastern Tennessee, and it might kick off a few showers up there, but having a hard time pushing down into Alabama. The sky on Friday should be mostly sunny, and again, the high should be around 90. This is Saturday. That front just kind of washes out. Technically, the chance of rain is not zero over maybe northeast Alabama, but the chance is so small we're not going to mention that. The holiday weekend should start off with a partly to mostly sunny sky with a high close to 90. And then Sunday, moisture levels begin to rise a little bit, but again, the warm air aloft should make for a fairly stable atmosphere. I guess you might argue the point for a slight chance of a shower Sunday, but again, I think most people stay dry. Here's Monday of next week. The upper feature is over the Texas Panhandle. Hopefully that'll bring them some rain at some point out there. And then down below that on Monday, you can see a pretty decent little sliver of moisture coming up in here. And the heights aloft are coming down slightly. So I think on Memorial Day, we need to introduce the chance of a few scattered showers. And understand we're not talking a rainy day here, but maybe a few passing showers in scattered spots. And you'll hear that a lot in the summertime. And Tuesday, pretty much the same deal. A mixture of clouds and sunshine, a chance of scattered showers and storms. We'll check the end of the forecast, June the 4th. In much of the country, covered by an old ridge. And that looks a lot like summertime. Warm, muggy, maybe hot, and again, maybe a shower near the Tennessee Valley. Evidence of maybe a little tropical mischief there off in the Atlantic. east of the Bahamas, but of course that's in the land of voodoo. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 4 o'clock today. If you can, join us this evening on ABC 3340 News, the live stream or the television side at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.